Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by physically linking the systems. First, plug an HDMI 2.0 or better into the Xbox HDMI OUT and match it to an LG HDMI in. This preserves 4K and HDR signals. Next, power on both devices and switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the console boot sequence. If you want fast downloads and stable multiplayer, connect Ethernet or join Wi-Fi now. These steps get the signal and network ready so you can finish configuration without interruptions. Once your Xbox displays, follow the on-screen setup to choose language, connect to your network, install updates, and sign into your account. This ensures the latest firmware and services. On the LG TV, open Settings and enable HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color for the HDMI port used. This unlocks HDR and full chroma. Then return to the Xbox display settings and set the output to the TV's native resolution, 1080p or 4K, and enable HDR if supported, so games and media look correct and vibrant. You finish by matching audio and performance. In Xbox audio settings, choose Bitstream or HDMI pass-through to match your sound system and enable 5.1 or Dolby if available. If the TV shows no signal, swap the HDMI cable or try another HDMI port and power cycle both devices. Unplug 10 seconds, then restart to clear handshake issues. Finally, enable game mode on your LG to lower input lag, then test a game. This balances responsiveness and visual quality, so you're ready to play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.